The Aussie Quickie Knot is a quick and practical tying knot, popular mainly in Australia. First, you have to tie a bimini knot in the main line. It will create a double line part of the needed length. You can also use surgeon's loop or spider hitch knots, but they do not guarantee that your connection is very strong. Put a leader above the double line part. Leave a length of about 6 inches. Make 10 to 13 wraps by the leader around the double line section behind the loop end. Do not approach the loop knot. After that, put the remaining end through the loop. Now hold 2 lines on each side and tighten until the line locks. Remember to moisten your line at this stage. Then release the excess end and continue tightening. Make sure it is tight and cut off the excess line end. The Aussie Quickie Knot is ready. For more fishing information and to support the channel, please subscribe. The Aussie Quickie Knot, as the name suggests, originates from Australia and is commonly used by anglers. The term Aussie refers to Australia, while Quickie highlights its fast and practical tieability. Although the exact origins of the knot are unclear, it was popularized by Australian fishing captain Scott Walker and has since become well known among fishermen worldwide. Primarily used in fishing, the Aussie Quickie Knot is also handy for camping and other outdoor activities. When tied correctly, it is considered a strong knot with a low risk of failure. However, its overall reliability remains a subject of debate within the fishing community. The Aussie Quickie Knot is ready. For more fishing information and to support the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Fin Fishing TV.